2018 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.